Hey, what's up guys? David Rishka here in sunny Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm here with the Success Keeper, and today I'm recording another video for you guys. I am here every single day creating inspirational, motivational and educational videos for you to set you on the right path to road to success and freedom. Especially if you haven't started your own business yet, these videos are gonna help you drastically. And let's go ahead and get started, okay? So today I'm gonna talk about how to get traffic to your website. So basically we have two types of traffic. We have free traffic and we have paid traffic. So with free traffic, the good thing about it is that you don't have to spend any money, but it takes so much longer to get things moving and actually start making money with paid traffic, where if you invest some money into some good paid traffic, such as Google AdWords, Bing ads, solo ads, Facebook ads or YouTube ads, you can start seeing results a lot faster, okay? The thing with paid ads is no matter what you do, if you do Google AdWords, Bing ads, solo ads, you have to, and this is crucial, take some kind of training so you know exactly how this thing works, okay? Because if you don't know how any of these paid advertising works, you're gonna spend a lot of money and you will not see very good results, okay? I have that kind of experience, and then I started actually spending money on lessons and classes to learn how to run Google AdWords and the Facebook ads, and you know, where to get good solo ads also. So it's very important for you, before you invest any of your money into paid advertising, take some kind of training. And there is some of them on YouTube, which is free, but you can buy cheap courses on Udemy, and for like $20 you can learn how to run your ads on Google, okay? So it's very important. Now to free traffic, what you can use with free traffic is, if you like to write blogs, you can use blogging. You can go to WordPress actually and set up a free, I just realized you cannot even see me, and you can set up a free website, free account, and when you do that, you can create a page where you can write your blog, and then on the bottom of the blog you're gonna insert your link, and then you can go to like different social media. For example, you're gonna talk to people on Facebook, you know, in some groups, or you're gonna talk to people on Instagram, or different chat rooms, you know, and you're gonna listen or read what kind of problems they have, and then you can just say, hey, I saw a good article, go over here, and you give them the link to your blog, okay? And they will go to your blog, and at the bottom they will click on the link that you're promoting, and it will take them to the website that you're promoting with all the products or courses, okay? So that's one way of doing it, writing blogs on WordPress. And the other one is social media. YouTube is huge, very powerful to create videos like I'm doing right now. I'm, you know, not the pro that you see with some other in some other videos over here on YouTube, but you know, I'm doing my best, and you improve as you go every day. The more you do it, the better you get. So you just have to take one step at a time, you know, go forward and create some value for people who are looking for what you got for them, okay? So YouTube, Facebook, you can create different posts on Facebook, talk to people on in Facebook groups. If you are selling, for example, weight loss products, then you can go and sign up with some of the groups that talk about weight loss and nutrition. You can do Instagram if you like pictures and videos. You know, you can comment on other people's pictures and videos, interact with them. And the last is Twitter, and also Pinterest is pretty decent social media to do free marketing. But like I said before, the free marketing will take time. It takes time to get some traction, to get to know some people, you know, to get involved in the community. And you know, you can start seeing results within like 2 or 3 months. But the difference between free and paid advertising is like, if you want to go from point A to point B and you decide to walk, or you decide to take Ferrari or Lamborghini, okay? So the paid advertising is like taking a Ferrari from point A to point B, from where you are to your goal. Or you can walk or do the free route, okay? So a lot of people say you should just do the paid advertising, but from my own experience, I highly recommend to have both. Okay, invest some money into any of these paid ads, whether it's Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Google or Bing, but also have one of your social media for you working for you for free also, okay? So like what I am doing, for example, I post one video every single day for you guys, and I also buy solo ads and Google AdWords, okay? So I'm trying to hit the target from all different corners and you know, have better chances to hit my goal at the end of the month. So this is the first part of the video. Actually, let me switch over to my computer screen, and I'm gonna show you where you can learn how to work with YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or even Google AdWords. I'll show you some cool website where you can take really good training, okay? So I'm gonna switch over to my computer screen and I will see you in a second. Okay guys, so here I am back with the second half of the video, and I am actually affiliated with the Legendary Marketer, as you can see over here. And inside our website, when you go under my products and click on Marketers Club, when you become a member, you can access a lot of these trainings that I was talking about before. For example, how to do Facebook ads, how to place Facebook ads. You can take a course for lead generation. You can also take training for advertising on YouTube, and how to grow your Instagram account, and all these great trainings, okay? So this is a huge benefit when you become a Legendary Marketer member. They definitely make sure that you have all these trainings available. You can watch this video whenever you want, and as many times as you want, to really master how to market and advertise online. And if you are interested in buying a solo ads, or you decide to buy paid traffic, you just go over here to Marketplace and you click on Traffic Rolodex, and you will have different kind of options as far as buying solo ads and stuff like that, okay? So that's what I wanted to show you. I've been with Legendary Marketer for almost a year, about 9 months, and I've been having really good results. I was involved with other companies before, but I have to say that this one is one of the best that I have been affiliated with. But I'm not gonna lie, you will have to spend some time and effort in you know, with your online business, because there is no free rides. You will have to, if you want to see success a little faster, you will have to invest some money into training, into growing yourself, into you know, placing ads, and also you will have to invest some of your time to study all of this stuff and do free traffic advertising. So anyways, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right away, and I will see you with my next video tomorrow. Okay, so I speak with you soon. You take care.